Hello folks, this is a 2012 Rav4, but like any of the other Toyotas, to reset the oil light, it's very simple. What we're going to use this odometer trip button and the ignition key. So what you're going to do first is you're going to turn on the key and you're going to set this to trip A. Once you get to trip A, you're going to shut it off. Hold the button and you're going to turn the key on. And when you key on, you're going to see the little 5 bars. They're going to do a little countdown. And then you're all set. And that's it. Very simple. All right, and you're going to reset it back to the customer. And you're good to go. All right, very simple. Shut the key off. Well, set it to trip A. Shut the key off. Then hold the button. Turn the key on. And you're going to see the 5 bars count itself down. After that, you're good to go. Ciao.